Welcome to this video on the IEC 61439 compliant low-voltage electrical panel. This video will cover the key engineering specifications for these switchgear and control gear assemblies, featuring a 440 volts, 3-phase, 4-wire system design. This video outlines the mandatory minimum parameters for our panel design. These include a 440 volts 3-phase supply, 50 Hz frequency, and an IP55 rating. Please note that all deviations from these specifications require formal engineering approval. The scope of this video covers the complete life cycle of our distribution panels, from design and manufacturing to site commissioning. We adhere to strict IEC 61439 standards for structure, distribution, protection, and engineering services. This panel assembly is governed by several critical IEC and IS standards. Key regulations include IEC 61439 for design verification, IEC 60529 for ingress protection, and IEC 60947 for circuit breaker and contactor performance. Our switchboard construction is engineered for durability. We utilize minimum 2 mm CRCA steel for the framework and 1.6 mm for doors. The design features comprehensive gasketing to achieve IP55 protection, ensuring long-term reliability in industrial environments. For protection and control, we use 4-pole, microprocessor-based MCCBs. Key features include LSIG protection, mandatory electrical interlocking to prevent backfeed, and copper-only bus bars to ensure symmetrical current carrying capacity. Compartmentalization is essential for safety. Each zone is fully enclosed and interlocked with breaker positions. Bus bars must be copper only, using non-hygroscopic SMC insulators and maintaining specific phase-to-phase and ground clearances. This video highlights our standards for earthing, wiring, and cable termination. We require robust earthing, identified PVC insulated wiring, and non-magnetic gland plates for single-core cables to prevent overheating failures. 7-stage painting process includes cleaning, descaling, and phosphating, finished with 70-micron oven-baked powder coating. All components must feature permanent, engraved metal nameplates for clear identification. Before dispatch, every panel undergoes a comprehensive factory acceptance test. This includes operational checks, dimensional verification, and ensuring full compliance with OEM type test certifications as required by IEC 61439. In summary, this panel design offers full IEC 61439 compliance, a safety-first architecture, long-term durability, and ease of maintenance, making it a reliable solution for demanding industrial deployments. Thank you for watching this video. We hope these insights were helpful. Please like, subscribe, and leave a comment to let us know your thoughts.